Location, light, detail, and views. Monument cliffs, canyons, and cascades. I'm Jen Taylor with the Christi Reece Group, welcoming you to 2147 Vista Cascada, my next beautiful luxury listing. Built in 2002, it's positioned on 0.31 acres beneath the glorious Colorado National Monument. Throughout the home, expect solid core maple finish doors with overlay design patterns true to the Frank Lloyd Wright Prairie-style inspiration. The interior features a gorgeous chef's kitchen with a new, in 2024, Bosch induction stove and oven, a sub-zero refrigerator, mahogany-finish custom cabinets, stainless steel backsplash, a wet bar with display storage, accent lighting, eat-in island, pantries, and storage. The home is well-appointed, well-loved, well-maintained, with incredible detail and pride of ownership throughout. The primary bedroom features French doors to the patio, dual closets, a 5-piece ensuite bathroom with double walk-in shower, and a jetted tub. This 4-bed, 4-bath, 2,820 square foot estate features a Casita and an ADU with 1 bed, 1 bath for an additional 252 square feet of living space. The exterior of the home features a new roof in 2023, extensive patios for convertible indoor-outdoor living, east-facing back patios for lovely afternoon shade. Thank you for taking this tour of 2147 Vista Cascada. Feel free to call Jen Taylor at the Christi Reece Group with any questions. 970-250-9682.